Dawjingphang Historic Ganesh Temple celebrate 98th Foundation Day on Janmashtami. Dawjingphang village under Dhansuri constituency witnessed a day of devotion and celebration. Today, as the historic Ganesh Temple established on 16 August 1927 marked its 98th Foundation Day. The occasion coincided with the auspicious festival of Janmashtami, adding special significance to the celebration. The temple's long-serving pujari, Johnny Dipusa, who has been performing priestly duties at the shrine for the past 36 years, lead the ritual and puja. Villagers and devotees gather to offer prayers and seek blessing at the sacred temple, which has stood as a symbol of faith and unity for nearly a century. Local residents express their pride in the temple's legacy, calling it a spiritual cornerstone of the community. The celebration was marked by religious fervor, devotion, and cultural harmony, making the day a memorable one for the people of Dawjingphang.